One of our greatest impacts that we've had on our athletes is not just tuning this high end, it's reestablishing their base of this healthy lifestyle, which then allows them to achieve a much greater level of performance. In sport, people assume it's all these extrinsic factors that motivate the athlete. In some cases, it is. But for sustainable athletes, the ones that we probably recognize their names, there's this intrinsic motivator, what we call their it. And we all as humans have an it. And that motivational interviewing and the element to get to those deeper meanings of why they want to be a professional athlete, or why the mother or the father want to do a great job. And that once we sink into that it, then we can help people prepare for it, and fuel for it, and move for it, and ultimately recover for it. I think everybody sees these race cars of human performance out there, but what they don't realize is the foundation of that is health. If we don't have the mindset, the nutrition, the movement, and the recovery, just the core fundamentals to perform in life, there's no way that they can actually create a high performance element in sport. We've all heard a lot about sports analytics, Moneyball, all the different things that have now kind of changed the game. But that's all taken into account inside the lines, on the court, on the baseball field. But we also have a major assumption within the statistics to say that outside the lines, what do they do around those lifestyle habits that are allowing them to perform? One of our greatest impacts that we've had on our athletes high end, it's reestablishing their base of this healthy lifestyle, which then allows them to achieve a much greater level of performance. You not only are gaining a positive energy gain and focus gain, those elements, the moods continue to improve, but you're also doing a lot of these things that have been sabotaging your health and your wellness and decreasing all the inflammation. And it's amazing with just that one simple change, which you control, how great an impact it can make on the overall quality of your life. We can literally, to this day, be so precise about how we can tune your body for the exact outcome that we want, not just for a sport, but it's the sport, it's the position, it's then the style of play that system needs you to have, and then build a player profile exactly like that and help it sustain. We spend way more time upgrading performance above the neck, because we know essentially that you're dealing with a person who lives inside the body. And if we can create the connectivity with that person and upgrade those habits, upgrade those rituals, ultimately the body will respond.